Hello everyone, this is a video series teaching you how to grow the African pumpkin from seeds. This video series will take you from seed starting all the way to the end of the life cycle of this vegetable, of course, and everything in between. So if you would like to learn how to cultivate the African pumpkin and learn more about this plant, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you get notified when I share a new video on this series. This first video will share with you how to start the seeds of the African pumpkin. You can start the pumpkin seeds indoors 3 to 4 weeks before you intend to plant it outside in the garden. That is before the last frost date in your area. Or you can just wait until all dangers of frost has passed and then direct sow your seeds outside. But to take advantage of the planting season, I like to start my seeds indoors. If you like, you can soak the seeds. It does facilitate germination. And here's something you may not already know. The peeled or the de-shelled seeds can still germinate, as you can see from the ones that I pre-sprouted. If you have the seeds with the shells, I highly recommend that you soak the seeds to really speed up that germination process. And then you can start them in small containers. As you see here, if you have a heat mat, you can use that. It will facilitate germination. Or if it is already warm outside, just go ahead and leave your seeds outside. They will sprout. But I prefer to start my seeds in a container where I can control the growing conditions and then later transplant the seeds outside. Do not bury the seeds too deep. You know, if you bury the seeds too deep, they might struggle to germinate. The rule of thumb is the planting depth is about twice the size of your seeds. Our seed has been planted. Always label after planting so you know the date and what you planted. You can expect germination in about a week. In the next video, I will share with you about transplanting the pumpkin in the garden. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video with somebody that might be interested in growing the pumpkin. Until next time, happy gardening and grow a garden. Bye-bye.